Hey everyone, this is Lola Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm here in the sound design channel to make a bass line most appropriately for tech house, and it sounds like this. This is the original sound. If you want to check the MIDI. Now in context. You can find this sound and many other sounds in our Serum house music bank that we've done for Production Music Live, and you can find it here in the description below. And if you're liking the video, hit the like button. If you're loving it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from the Sound Design channel. But let's get started and let's get down to business. We have here an initial preset from Serum. We're gonna start here by just listening to original sound, and it sounds like this. Pretty boring, right? We're gonna start by putting here -3 octaves. And since we're talking about a bass, we're gonna have to choose mono also over here from the beginning. And since this is going to be a pluck sound, I'm gonna start doing the envelope from the beginning. And we also have to do here basic shapes. We're gonna choose a square wave. Now let's go to the envelope. Envelope, we're gonna choose here. The decay is going to be around 900 milliseconds, something like this. The sustain is going to go to -18, something like this. And the release a little bit longer, something around 260 something. Maybe we can pick this and put it all the way down. You can see that this makes the sound pluck a little bit more, and this will be really important for our filters afterwards. But now we have to do a little bit of a FEM, and we have to choose oscillator B. It's going to change the sound completely. So Monster 1, we're going to put this up to around here. That's about it. We're going to pick this level and put it all the way down. And now we're going to pick here FM from B. This is going to completely change the sound. So take a listen. It sounds horrible, doesn't it? But now we have to put this octaves -3 over here in the Monster. Now it sounds like a greedy bass, right? And now with the filter, we're gonna choose MG low 24. The cutoff is going to go all the way down, and the envelope is going to go here around 59, something like this.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.
We're gonna just intensify the level. And we already have some sort of the sound. Now, effects, we're gonna go and start with the distortion. We're gonna come here in the distortion, put the tube distortion, and the drive is going to go to 78. You can see this gives a little bit more of grit to the sound. And we're gonna just choose a filter over here and put it MG low 24, cut off all the way down, and the envelope is gonna go all the way up. And that's it. If you want to make the sound a little bit different, what you can do is, if you want to make it wider, you can use hyper and dimension. You can put this. This makes the sound wider. Or if you want to make the sound a little bit more washed out with a little bit more MIDI, what you can just do is just come here into the EQ and but that's totally up to taste. I hope you liked this video today, and if you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe, and don't miss out on our pack. Feel free to grab it here. It's an amazing pack, and I'm sure that you'll like it. And I hope to see you in the next Sound Design channel video. Cheers.